Good afternoon, gentlemen. I hope you're well. Today we're going to be explaining what a V3 and V2 liquidity is, what the difference is, and how you can use them to your best advantage. So typically, 99% of the time, if you're providing LP to earn fees, you would use a V3 pool. So initially when I started in crypto, we had a V1 pool, and all that would do was provide liquidity. It would just be there for people to buy and sell and swap and dump, but they never really sync together. V2 sunk together and also charged a fee and put the fee back in. So if you come in and you buy, if someone has a V2 pool, let's say BNB and USDT, if you come in and you buy $100 of USDT, you leave your BNB in the pool, you pay a fee, so you pay 25 cents, and that stays, some of that, half of it, stays into the pool and Pancakeswap take it. So basically, over time, it should build up more. When people buy and sell on this position, you can see here the TVL is 33 million. You'll never get that with a V3 position. This one's been open for God knows how long, maybe 4 or 5 years. So it's just compound over time. Now, you'll notice the yields aren't as good. So how it works is if I put my liquidity in here, I get a portion of the share of the fees based on how much liquidity I put in. So let's say I double it and I put the amount in and the pool generates 3,000 per day, I would get half of that. So I would get, $1,500 in that. And that wouldn't go into my pocket. That would go into my share of the pool. When I withdraw, I will get an ownership of how much TVL there is, half of it. So as long as you leave it in there over time. Now, typically V2 is used for when you launch a token because it syncs the two pools together very well. Now, there isn't somewhere where you can withdraw. So V2 is only if you have something very long term and you literally don't want to manage it. So you got $1,000 and you want to leave it in there for 2, 3 years, then you put it in a V2 and you'll come back and it will just auto compound for you. I personally wouldn't advise doing that, but I would probably put it in a V3 position. So how a V3 position works is, let's say you say USDT and Bitcoin, you'll be earning 14%, so much higher. But the fees don't go into the pool. The fees go into a separate place where you can actually withdraw it and still leave your principal in. So you can come here and you can say, I want to charge 0.01 fee, and you basically concentrate your range. So you put in a position where you want your liquidity to spread out. So if you put an equal part of each, then half of it will be in Bitcoin, half of it will be here. And as long as it stays in range, you'll be earning the fee. Now, this looks, when I first saw V3, I thought that's so confusing. Who the hell is going to use that? But over time, once you practice, you can start to do tight ranges. You can maximize your profits. You can see here my API has just gone massive because you basically leverage your money. So my $100 or $1,000 is going to act like it's $100,000 on this range, or $50,000. If you put $1,000 on a 1% range, it acts like it's $50,000 in terms of the fees it generates. So you can do really well. However, you can get a huge amount of losses once it falls out of range, or upside you should have been holding and then you lose that divergence loss. So even just sticking with a full range position, which only a V2 does, a V3 allows you to say, okay, you can do some fancy stuff. You can do, 99%, or you can do just one-sided, so we can just provide BTC, or we can just provide USDC or USDT. So it just depends on your scenario. But the difference between the two is, think of it as one auto compounds by itself and is a full range position, and you're likely to protect your balance better. And the V3 is more aggressive, much higher earning, and also you can play about with it, and you can also do a full range and you get an income source from it. I personally use it. I prefer the income source, so you can say, okay, today I earned $5 and then I want to buy some BTC with it, and you can do what you want with it and you can stack. Helps you stack over time. So guys, I wish you all the best and take care.